If you're not using your phone analytics daily, you're making decisions blindly. And the truth is, most businesses already have the data. They just don't have the right tool to access and visualize it. KrispCall brings everything you need to turn every phone activity into clear, actionable insights. Here's how you can use analytics in KrispCall, step by step. Simply log into your KrispCall account, and you're already where you need to be. Your main dashboard, where all your call and SMS metrics update automatically as your business activity happens. In Call Analytics, inbound calls increase with every call your numbers receive. Outbound calls grow as your team makes calls. Missed calls reflect the calls you weren't able to answer. Average call duration shows how long your conversations last. Voicemails received increase when customers leave messages after missed calls. Total calls is the sum of inbound, outbound, and missed calls. Similarly, in SMS Analytics, total SMS is the sum of all messages. Inbound SMS is the messages you receive. Outbound SMS is the message you send. Unique conversations increase when a new interaction starts. Response rate shows how many of your messages get replies. Now let's narrow things down. Using filters, you can switch between call and SMS analytics. Filter by specific phone numbers or team members. Select a date range up to the last 90 days. Once applied, these filters reflect directly in the line graph as you select each metric in the dashboard. This makes it easy to track activity over time, compare performance, and understand what's actually happening across your phone numbers. Instead of going through logs one by one, you get a clear visual overview of your business activity, helping decision makers and business owners analyze performance faster and take action with confidence. Ready to begin? Book a free demo at KrispCall.com today.